Okay, we've got our Kapton tape or polyimide tape. Excellent tape for really shiny polished surfaces and glass. But what we want to see is if it can mark. This is fiber laser. It's a bit higher power just to see what happens. I'll put it back to my blue painter's tape marking with the black Sharpie. That's the ideal setting for marking tapes. Now this one does get a much better mark. Not the most visible, but pretty good. But the big test is let's remove the tape and see what happens. And no, this is not a good marking tape. The laser goes straight through. So not a good one for fiber laser. Let's try the UV. We're just going to mark the tape direct. We're not going to be too fussy about focus. It's good enough. And then we're going to do black Sharpie with the UV. And that looks like that's a fantastic mark for the UV laser. That's a sensational mark. So I might use this for the UV. It's good that you can see through the tape and see where you're actually marking. And it doesn't go through either, which is fantastic. I might try the black Sharpie on the fiber laser. I think it still goes through. It doesn't mark on the glass or the metal. So UV, that's a winner. But the ultimate marking on CO₂ and UV is the old blue painter's tape. That just comes up nicely. Okay, we're just going to try the black Sharpie on the fiber laser. Okay, so that's leaving a fantastic mark. Beautiful. Let's just see, I think that was crosshatch. Yes, let's turn off crosshatch and do one more because we don't want two passes. Let's just take off the Sharpie. There we go. I reckon that second pass may have marked the middle. So top pass is crosshatch. And no, that does, where are we? That does mark the metal on both instances. Yeah, there we go. No good. So fiber laser, this tape is out. Where are we? That tape is no good for fiber laser, but UV laser works fantastic. Okay, we may as well try the CO₂ laser while we are at it. We'll frame that. Let's run the test. It doesn't matter if we go through to the middle because the CO₂ will not mark the middle. And no good. So yeah, no good for CO₂ lasering. Just UV laser.